People are fearful during the falling market as they think that their prices would fall. Even during a rising market, people fear as they think, what if tomorrow market falls? So instead of being in fear every day and night, what should we do? Friends, plan the game and play as per plan. Good if it happens what you have expected. And it should be good even if it goes opposite to what you have expected. Because market is not in your hand. So can we plan the game? Friends, during Nifty monthly indices view, we talk about what can we expect from Nifty in near term as well as mid term. We will include what we have discussed last month, what happened last month, and what can we expect in outstanding October and near term. So let us begin, friends. So let me welcome in the outstanding October Nifty indices view. I, Piyush Patel, on behalf of Profit From It, welcome you in this discussion. Before we directly jump to October Nifty indices, let me share with you some good news. What how we are making things happen. First of all, H1 result update. From this coming Friday, TCS result will be announced, and one by one your wealth creator companies results are going to get announced. So we have created a plan that those registered students we have learned analysis. If you want to take part in upcoming result update season, you want to do research and you want to present your plan, you can take part in this upcoming series of H1 result. Support from our team would be given to you. Who can take part in this H1 result update? August batch could not take part as they are still learning. Yes, June batch, whose just 2 episodes, 2 weeks now are left. June batch students can definitely take part. All the students till June batch and before June batch students all can take part in this season. 28th October, the new batch would be launched, who would be learning all of these practical things. So I welcome all 28th October new batch students. North India, there is a special announcement for North Indian students. As pre-corona time, we used to meet at different places. Since last year, many of the students have not met each other. So this month, 31st October, we have arranged the special program for only North Indian registered students. So all those students who stay in North India, Hotel Visaya, the same place where we have met several times pre-corona. So we are going to meet for a full day program. And the topic for this program is taking our portfolio to 10x. So for whom this will be? This program is not for new people. It's only for registered students, right? So note it down for 31st October. Detail would be provided by our team. So now let us begin our session of outstanding October. So as we discussed every month, what is our cement? First, we discuss what we have discussed in solid September. Then we discuss what actually happened in solid September. And then the main important thing, what to expect on past basis, what to expect in outstanding October. So let us start with number one, what we discussed in solid September. Nifty was that time 17,132. The positive bias could continue further toward 17,580 or 18,026 or 18,898, clearing this year's second target of yearly indices view. So as you know, what is yearly indices view? Every year on 1st January, we set this yearly expectation of Nifty. So during that yearly indices view, we have expected this second target of yearly indices, and that was 18,898, right? So, sorry, it was 18,353. So if Nifty clears this target of 18,898, then our yearly indices target could also get clear. So on what basis this all target could get cleared? On the back of strong recent and expected earning. Friends, market generally moves on two things: expected earnings and expected valuations. If any indicator comes which can decrease the earnings or valuations, then the fall is followed. And if the indication continues that earnings are going to become more stronger and more consistent, valuations are going to get more higher, your market is going to continue the rally. So the overall rally could be towards 19,600 targets during this or next year, which we are waiting since breakout of 2014. Right? So this was what we have discussed in solid September. The negative trend, short-term temporary for 4-5 months, could again re-enter before the target. So before Nifty reached toward 19,600, the negative trend could also enter. If and only if Nifty fall below 15,834, the short-term temporary fall of around 2,000 points could be seen only in such a case. Else, bias could be flat to positive. Can cash such buying opportunities as we have done in the past. Any fall till 16,707 to 16,260 should be treated as the normal fall and not the correction. Correction starts. So when we will say that Nifty has entered into correction, correction starts only below 15,834. Above 15,834, only 19,600 should be the target. Hence, track 15,834 closely for the decisive move ahead. Anyway, do not forget the rule. In a growing economy like India, rule should be simple: buy during falls and enjoy during the rallies. So this was what we discussed during solid September. Now let us check what actually happened in solid September. Where is Nifty? Nifty has reached 17,618. Where was Nifty? See, as you can see, Nifty was 17,132. So your closing was at 17,618 in September. Let us check what happened in solid September. As discussed during solid September, Nifty rallied further towards 1700, 579 around mid-month on 16th September. Right? So till 16th September, where we reached? We reached till 17,579. That is around mid-month. There we saw 4 muted days. So at target 1, we saw 4 muted days. But later, Nifty rallied till 17,947, right, on 24th September, which is a new lifetime high. So on what date we saw a new lifetime high? 21st September. Nifty did not rally till expected second target of 18,026. What was the second target for solid September? 18,026. But Nifty did not rally till second target, and the rally was with a limited upside of 17,947. So where did Nifty close? At 17,618 after making the high of 17,947. So we did not show even 18,000 during solid September. So this was what happened. Nifty made the higher lifetime high, higher lifetime high low and lifetime high close last month. है ना? तीनों चीज हमने बनाया, हायर हाई, हायर लो, हायर क्लोज. It was the second month with higher high, higher low in the row. Last month also same thing we saw, higher high, higher low, higher close. Overall, we can say Nifty was in COVID correction for 11 months and damage was around 14 and 20 points. On the basis of V-shaped recovery in the economy, Nifty rallied further in the new territory post-November 2020. And since then, Nifty rallied from 12,431 to 17,947, which is 5,500 point rally in just the same 11-month period. So previous 11 months, we saw a fall of 49.20 points. Last 11 months, we saw a recovery plus rally of around 5,500 points. Rally, pure rally of 5,500 points, right? So on this basis, just let me show you the chart. So this is what we just discussed. Or this was the fall, and this was around 11 months where we saw a correction and Nifty fell around 14 and 20 points. And this is the place from where, let me show you like this. Yeah. This is the place from where Nifty gave breakout. And during last 11 months, we saw after breakout, another 5,500 point rally. So that's amazing. Nifty is trading in the new territory since last 11 months. So considering these all things, even see, Nifty is headed towards a pending target of 19,600 in the near term 1 or 2 year. And in short term towards 18,353, this year's second target, right? So this year 2021 calendar years target, not a financial year which will close on March. No, this year calendar year which is going to close in December. Our target this year, second target was 18,353. So let us check now. Only 3-4 months we are supposed to see. Last month, Dow Jones entered into correction mode after the rally of 10 months in the row. So this is the chart of Dow Jones. As you can see, last month we saw lower high, lower low, lower close, right? So this fall in Dow Jones was after this 10-month rally. Dow Jones lower, there was the divergence. Dow Jones lower high, lower low and lower close, while Nifty with higher high, higher low and higher close. Yes, Nifty is in outperformance, but when master of whole world, Dow Jones is in correction, we need to be little bit cautious. We need to track Dow Jones and Nifty also, right? So considering all these things, friends, what to expect in outstanding October? Let us check what we can expect in outstanding October, friends. Nifty is 17,618, right? So considering these all things, the positive bias could continue further toward 18,025. So what is the first target of outstanding October? It's 18,025. 18,431, that's the second target. So if we reach in outstanding October 18,431, clearing the target 2 of this year as per yearly indices view, the rally could be even seen toward 18,960 with this year or next year's pending target of 19,600. So these are our target synergy, right? First target for outstanding October should be 18,025. This is the way we can expect from Nifty. We are waiting for a long time for 19,600 since 2014. Just let me show you. As you can see, there was a huge fall in the during 2007, and on 2007 to 14 there was a big correction. During this 2014 breakout of Nifty, the target of 19,600 was set, and we were supposed to reach 19,600 as per the extension theory. In coming how many years? The correction stayed from 2007 to 2014. It was 7 years, 7 years correction. So we can expect the targets in coming 6 to 9 years. So till what time your 19,600 target should get clear? From 2014, if you calculate 6 to 9 years, 2021, 22, 23, during this year, we are going to see 19,600 targets getting cleared, right? So we are waiting for this target since 2014, right? Any fall in the near term till 17,144 to 17,055, which is 50 EDMA, should be treated as the normal fall. So my dear friends, any point of time we may see the fall temporary till 17,144 to 17,055, right? So this should be treated as a normal fall, and buying from this range should be expected. Considering the mid-term negative trend in US market, again, we should not forget that US market is in mid-term negative trend. Dow Jones have already started lower high, lower low, lower close, right? So we need to be little bit cautious. Hence, the negative trend in the current situation in Indian market could again re-enter temporary for 4 to 5 months if and only if Nifty falls below 17,055. Till Nifty is above 17,055, can expect the positive bias and the pending upper targets. Now you know the targets, I should not repeat, but the pending targets are going to get cleared soon. So positive world is above 17,055. Only falling below 17,055, we may see the depth more toward 16,649 or even 100 EDMA 16,243, right? So if Nifty fall below 17,055, the fall could be more deeper towards 649 to 16,243. Long-term wealth creators should not be worried. They should be more happy. Anyway, this could provide an opportunity for investor to buy their wealth stock at better price discovery. But the traders should be cautious, right? If Nifty falls below 17,055, you should not expect support if it falls below 17,055. As in near term, you can see the fall till 16,000. What level we have said? 16,243 also, right? So the trading should be set as per this level. Can cash such buying opportunities as we have done in the past. Anyway, do not forget the rule. In a growing economy like India, rule should be simple. Your GDP is growing, buy during fall and enjoy during rallies. Right, friends? So, as per us, this is the first year. Still, the year is also not completed. But this would be the first year for India with a growth after your corona fall. Not only for India, but whole world was affected during this fall. Even we can say the whole world was affected post 2018. So now India and all over the world is going to enter into a good rally mode in GDP. So this is the first year of good rally In coming 4-5 years, we are going to see our economy expand. India could outperform and overall whole world will be growing, right? So this is for Nifty Bank. Current market price 37,425. See, last month Nifty Bank made a new lifetime high, but still closing was below the high of February, right? So see, the February was a new high, right? And now after how many months you saw a new high? Your Nifty is making higher high every month, but Nifty Bank has not made a new high. The February high was broke just this month in solid September, but Nifty Bank closed below that high. So as I have written here, the high of February high suggests still Nifty Bank is under pressure and is underperforming Nifty. Our overall upper target should be still 42,700. Now these are not so much far, just 5,000 points in a big index like 37,000 is just 12-15% more. So that would be a very good thing, right? But yeah, we are going to see 42,700 this year itself, or if it gets extended, if Nifty comes into correction, we may see in next year, right? Buying should be initiated in the range. What to do if Bank Nifty falls? No need to worry. Buying should be done, initiated in the range of 32,169 to 26,459 during any fall. The strategy should be simple. Buy in the range of 32,000 to 26,000 with the target of 42,700. Simple and sweet strategy for Nifty Bank. Now let us check some broader indices for coming months. Nifty 50, next 50. Nifty 100, 200, 500, even mid cap and small cap. So if we are going to see positive, that is Nifty is going to make a new high of 18,000 this month, then what will happen? These all index are going to outperform Nifty, right? We are going to see a new high in Nifty 50, 100, 200, 500, mid cap, even in small cap. Even auto index could perform good. Commodities is performing good. Consumption, CPSC, consumer durable, dividend opportunity, energy, FMCG, finance, infra, media, MNC, oil and gas, value 20, services, PSC, Shariat, low volatility, quality, growth, and equal weight, this all could perform. So now just think whose names are not here. They are also not negative, but they are not positive in positive market, right? So some index could be negative, but when some index could be negative, if overall parent index, that is Nifty, will fall, some index could be negative here, right? Let me show you the past performance also for last 10 years. As you can see, consumer durable, Nifty IT, finance, consumptions, is all have grown well, and they have given you 15% CAGR during last 10 years. Even FMCG have given good return. Banks, FMCG and bank have underperformed to these all returns, but yet these all are outperformer if you compare it with Nifty 50. Now, if you have invested in media, metal, infra, reality, then overall they have given the return lesser than fixed deposit also, right? So this is the overall scenario of a decadal return. Let us check, friends, USD INR and crude. So USD INR is 17,416. In the long range, we may see USD INR move in the range of 76 to 72. Same thing in crude. Crude is around 75. Yes, since last few months, we are seeing higher high every month. So crude is towards 77, that is 76.90, which is high of 2018. So crude is again moving towards pre-corona level. Bitcoin, 43,823. So here you can see Bitcoin entered into the correction mode from April, as you can see. And we saw a steep fall from 64,000 to just 29,000. Bhayankar fall tha. During April, May and June, 3 months. which is just 3 months. Just July was the first month with the recovery. So when we saw the recovery in July, first month with the recovery from lower level, which was at 50% retracement support. Last month was the third month with the higher high, higher low. But don't say that close was higher. Close was lower. Important level to track this month should be 39,646. Right? Where is Bitcoin? It's at 44,000. What we should track? 39,646. Why? It's the low of last month. Since last 3 months, we are seeing higher high, higher low. So don't be negative till Bitcoin breaks its low. Right? That is the reason I have said to track 39,646. Right? So recovery should be seen further toward the range of 51,000 to 58,000. If and only if Bitcoin is able to sustain above which level? 39,646. The inability of Bitcoin sustaining about 39,646 can pressure towards the low of 25,000. So what is the trigger level? 39,646. Hence, track 39,646 closely for the decisive move ahead. The whole zone of 51,000 to 58,000 should be used as the profit booking zone, while zone of 32,000 to 25,000 should be seen as the buying zone for next 12 months itself. Right? So this is the range for Bitcoin lovers. Now, this is gold. Gold at 37,410. This is gold Geneva gold future. Buying can be done near 34,000. And we may see the gold move in the range of 34,000 to 44,000. Where buying can be initiated near 34,000. And some profits can be booked near 44,000 this year itself. While buying, be prepared for the whole range of 36 to 34. Should accumulate or do SIP during any fall. Even this time, SIP can be done in gold. Right? So this was about gold. These are the fundamentals. Revenue, that is sales, are growing by 20% this year. It's a positive turnaround. Net profit is growing by 47% as per Q1. Right? Even I can see the profit growth this year by 20% to 30%. So no need to worry. Nifty every year for next 4-5 years, I think we may see positive growth in profit as well as sales. As per current price, Nifty is trading at 27p. It's high, but it's not too much high. Right? So it's an average valuation. Price to book value is 4.4, again average valuation. Dividend yield current is 1.17. It's an average dividend yield. So whenever you get the falling opportunity, if you will buy during fall, this all valuations will be in your favor. Here is the whole historical values of Nifty, like earning, GDP, its price, its P movement. You can see 15,000 is the fair value of Nifty. So that's amazing, right? There's a good support for Nifty in the case Nifty falls. As we have expected, Nifty inclusions and exclusions. Apollo Hospital, Naukri, DMart could be included, and IOC Coal India, Hero Motor could be excluded in coming time. The events which we have already discussed, 28 October, it's a practical workshop, and this last Sunday we met, right? So it was a wonderful day with all students last Sunday. I have given our toll-free number. If you have any queries or if you want to join any program, should download our app and hook with our channel, as we are going to update each and every results which are going to get announced from this week. Thank you very much, and Jai Hind to everybody. I will wait for your comment, what you are expecting with Nifty in coming time. Jai Hind.